Okay. All right. Good morning. Friday morning. Good time to work on Pro Gymnast. Alright, so yesterday my stream, OBS crashed right at the end of the stream, and I was in the middle of fixing a tricky bug, but I fixed it after the end of the stream. So what I want to do today is I want to hit some of these smaller things I found yesterday, and then get back to working on levels a little bit. So we're going to go look real quick at this. The game score had a problem, which is if you get really big number like that, it word wraps and looks kind of dumb. These numbers are kind of huge, so maybe those shouldn't happen that often, but we are probably going to do our new favorite thing, which is auto size. We're going to set the minimum to, if I set the minimum to 32, it'll be too big, but if I set this to like allow 20%, now we can get up to that many digits before we wrap. So that would be an extremely high score. And then we're probably going to even say don't wrap. Ellipses if you get too many. Yeah, I like that better. Or maybe even just go off the edge of the screen. Like that. Okay, so that's gonna scale better. Now this is way too big, so this needs to be like that. Cool. Okay, that should be much better. Let's see what else we got here. So that was score overlap. Now this twisting scoring is out of control, and I had this other little minor idea I wanted to get in. Okay, so let's go. Let's go look at twisting scoring. So where does that happen? Probably here somewhere. Yeah, here we go. Base twist points power increment. Yeah, let's go look at this. This was getting a little out of hand. Okay, so here we go. When you twist, we're creating... BitGamey, good morning, what's up? So when you're twisting, we're creating a value here that we're going to raise the twist points to a certain power. So we gotta be careful, that can grow really fast. Then we round that to an integer, which I don't know why I'm doing that if I'm gonna call round score right after it. Right, this puts it into a multiple of 25. Okay, alright, okay. So the main problem is that this is not capped, right? And probably also this number I could change the rate at which it grows. So, hey Walber, I've noticed this gymnast can't twist after jumping off a platform. Is this intentional or a bug? Yeah, it's a little bit of both. Basically the problem is, you know what, now that I'm saying it out loud, I think I know what the solution is, but basically, have this concept of a significant collision, where if the gymnast hits something kind of hard, it registers that collision. And this causes things like scoring to stop. So if you're like flipping in midair and the score is counting up, and then you like hit a wall and keep flipping, it will stop adding to the score there, because it's sort of like, oh, you hit something that's you know, that should disrupt the trick. And I'm pretty sure that that's how I have twisting set up too, is that you can twist until if you've hit something in mid jump, and then it blocks out the twisting afterwards. So hitting your legs on a platform and then leaping is causing that same problem. But I was just thinking, perhaps I could change both of those, both the scoring and the twisting, to not just be did you hit anything at all, but did you hit something hard enough to get stunned? At least that would potentially make it a little more clear in game, where if you see the little like exclamation point over the player's head, you know, oh, okay, that was like I got hit too hard, whatever. Also, potentially something I could turn off in free play levels, so that if you're just messing around, you don't get that behavior. Kind of like that idea. Let's see. So real quick, let's just do this. We're gonna say math. We wanna limit this. Am I not? Oh. See all these red things on the side? Can you see those on the side of the screen? Yeah. All that red stuff means something's gone wrong with Visual Studio Code as usual. We're gonna say max twist power. Yeah. By the way, thanks for dropping by, K9. Yeah, I'll look into that. I think I can probably at least make that a little more possible for you without screwing up the rest of the game. Okay, so we're gonna need a max twist power, which will be up here, and then we're gonna have to try reloading VS Code. No, not up here. Oops. Here. Okay. Alright, some number. Okay, so that's being implemented there, which will work its way into here, which will kind of limit what kind of score you can get out of that. Okay. Alright, so let's close VS Code. It may have broken because I just updated Unity slightly from 2019.4.5 to 0.4.6. Often what I have to do is I have to go here. Oh. There we go. I have to go here to Preferences, External Tools, and I have to go Regenerate. Okay, now who knows if you'll find the stream that interesting. It's just working on the game mostly. Although between now, like the next couple weeks, it's mostly going to be just making levels and editing levels. A little bit of bug fixing here and there, but no big new fancy things. I'm trying to finish this game up and release it. Okay. Okay, let's go back and see if those red lines went away. They often do. Okay. Alright, so now we should be able to go back here and go to the manager of the game. Go find our scoring junk down here. Okay, so we have 50 points and then like an increasing power. So what we want to now know is can we have whoops. Ooh, they have a programmer version of the calculator. That's fancy. Alright, so what is this gonna be? It would be 50. Say 50, and then to the 0.5 power. That's what you get first. You get like 7 points for the first one. Then you get 50 to the first power, so that's 50. Then you get 50 to the 1.5 power, which is 350 something. And then you get 50 to the second power, which is 2500. Then you get 50 to the 2.5, 17,000 points. Then you get 50 to the third power, which is 125,000 points. So that's better. I'm going to cap it there, and then any twist after that will just be 125,000. I like that. Let's test it. I can test that on the level I had up yesterday, which was, what was it? Clean arc. Oh. Here. And we can get a lot of twists in on this one if we do it right. Oh. What? Uh-oh. I'm not twisting at all. Oh, there we go. What was the deal there? Oh. A little tricky. Right there. Uh-oh. Gonna hit the head. Gonna hit the head. Ow. Okay. So watch the twist there. 17,000, 125,000. Yeah, now we've capped out at 125,000, so I can keep just tagging on twists, but the score's gonna stay reasonable. 1,000,000 points for that trick. Let's go look at it. What was it? This was 1, 2, 3 flips, roughly. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 twists, basically. That feels like 1,000,000 points. Cool. Okay. So that was this. And then we had, oh yeah, so where's the multiplier stuff? Is that also here? Probably called combo. Yeah. Current combo. And I think this, so the multiplier comes from evaluating the combo curve, combo multiplier curve, which I think I have this maxing out. Here it is. Yeah, I have it maxing out at 15x. This is how it goes. It goes 1x, 2x, 3x, 5x, 8x, 15x. What I was thinking is that I would maybe put a clamp on this if you keep landing on the same object over and over again. Once again, maybe something I should remove in free play. But for levels where you have a score thing, it can kind of be cheesy to just like do a quick release grab, release grab, release grab, release grab, build up a huge combo. I kind of want to I prefer the scoring system reward leaping from object to object. So what I could do though here is say, right, and this is after 1, 2, 3, this is just on the integers, 5. So what we could do is we could say, go back up and look at our combo system stuff. And I like the idea of saying public int max combo for free grab. We'd say like maybe 3 or something. Or even we could just make this, yeah. Okay, something like that. But then we have to go look at where we actually increment current combo, which should only be, I think it's only right here. Yeah, when you land a trick, we're just looking at what the combo was when you landed. Okay, so this is the moment, and this is when we call score trick. What we would need to know here, though, is that it was a regrab. Okay. When do we set this to true? Right here is the only spot. And this is in fixed update. We decide that you are doing a trick because you are either, we already decided that. Oh, this is a getter. Go look at this. Does the gymnast have like a... Yeah, I'm pretty sure the gymnast knows the last thing it let go of. Go look at that. That's going to be a grabbable. We have a grabbed object. I go back up. Okay, so we have, whoops. We have hand grabbed. We have last release grabbable. Let's look at this. When you release, we forget it in the case where we want to insta regrab. That makes sense. On reset, we forget it. Here's our cooldown stuff. Otherwise, we remember it right there. And we send on gymnast release. Who gets that? Manager game does. That's nice. Okay, cool. So what we could do here is in our combo system, we can be like private grabbable last released grabbable is null. Okay, then we're gonna want to do things like in place where we reset stuff, which is gonna be down here somewhere. So this is where we call score trick. Here we could do, yeah. Oh, hey, what's up, Sympathy? Sorry, I missed you dropping by. And no, I didn't know that Paper Fan Games came out. I'm gonna have to go check it out. I've been watching them make it. It looks really fun, and I really like the two-player aspect to it. At least, I think it's at least 2 players. I don't know if there's more, but that looks really fun. I think it'd be fun to play with my kids. I want to check that one out and definitely support them. I'm gonna have to go look up the name of it because I don't know the name of their game. It's the cool little tower defense game where you run around with 2 different characters and supply the towers with ammo, essentially, right? Yeah, yeah, it looks really cool, and I really like watching their streams. Cool. Yeah, I'll check it on the Discord. So let's see, what was I looking for? I was looking for places that they posted it. Sweet. Okay, that'll be fast then. I don't know if they mentioned the name very much while they were working on it, so I don't have like a name associated with that game. I could picture it. Let's see, where's places where we like restart and like reset things? Like, where do we set combo? What is it? Current combo? Current combo equals 0. Here we go. Reset trick. This is a lovely place to reset this variable. There we go. Right? That's a great place to do that. That should probably catch most cases, because this is where I reset all the other relevant business. So now what we should be able to do is in score trick. What we can do is like right here. Right here. We can be like cap the combo, question mark. And then we would be like, if the M last release grabbable is non-null, right? And then if last grabbable is equal to the gymnast grab, what is it called? Hand grabbable. The thing they have that their hand is grabbed onto right now. Sympathy, you have to work soon, but we'll lurk while I coffee. Cool. You're close to finishing. Yes, I am. Check it out. Look at this. Sympathy, look at this. This is my... Oh, wait, hang on. I gotta switch to this scene, and then if I switch over here, you can see it. This is my to-do list. Don't look at the one on the left. That's unimportant. That is, you know, stuff that got cut from the game. But what's important is this for 1.0 list. It's very short. And the bug list, very short. And the to-do list, very short. Or the things I'm working on today are very short. So I do have a release date set. I don't want to say it yet because I feel like I'll jinx it. But it is quite soon, so I need to finish this thing. But I'm feeling good about it today. At least I am today. All right. So this is just a minor thing I'm throwing in here. If these things are like this, then we're just gonna say M current combo is equal to the regrab thing. Max combo for regrab. We're gonna kind of clamp that. So if you keep letting go and regrabbing the same object, combo. I mean, now here's a problem. Jump from wow, nice emote from that's from InstaFluff, right? That guy is the most relaxing person to watch on the stream. It's incredible. I love it. Here's a problem. This logic is like, oh, you jump from object A to B, combo goes up. B to C, combo goes up. Repeat, you're at like a 15x combo. And you let go of that object and catch back onto the same object. And based on this logic right now, your combo is going to drop. So that's kind of gross. Actually, what we want to do is we want to say bool is regrab false, right? And then here we would just set this to true. Is regrab is true. So that down here we can just decide not to increment. If is regrab, let's see. Yeah, you're an InstaFluff fan? Yeah. Everyone can learn a little something from that guy. And not just the code stuff, but the way he handles himself. Let's see. So what I want to do is, okay, wait. Bool is regrab clamp. I don't know. And then what this is going to say is, okay, so if it was the same thing, and if M current combo is greater than or equal to the max combo for regrab, then we're going to say you're clamped. And then this is going to say if not is regrab clamp, you're allowed to increment the combo. Okay, so this should make it then that if you get up to a higher combo, it will stay there. You just can't grow the combo beyond this. Okay, in the case of repeat. And then do I want to uncap this for replay? Probably. So this would be like replay doesn't care. Let the score be free. This would be like if level, not level data, right? What is it? Level... Look how much crap I have in my game that starts with the word level. What is it? Oh, it's like selected level dot level type. No, maybe not. No, not selected level. Where is it? Level data. It was level data. If level data dot instance dot level type equals level type dot level data dot level type dot free play is regrab clamp equals false. Okay, that can just come in and intercept at the last second and say, nice try, but I'm a free play level. Let the score do what it needs to do. Therefore, the like gymnastics fans who are playing this game and all they do is go to the gym mode and just try to do crazy tricks and stuff will get beautiful high scores. But my levels will be a little less kind of exploitable, where you can beat the score thing by just kind of cheesing it. All right, so we did that. Let's test this, right? You got a test code like this because I probably screwed it up. So first way to test this is in a proper level. I think I set that to 3, so that would be 5x combo, which would be the max, maybe. Let's go find a level where you can just kind of. Here we go. This is a good test bed. Okay, so you come over here. Boom. Right now we're at a 2x combo. Regrab onto the same one. 3x combo. Regrab 5x combo. Regrab. Uh-oh, I went to a different object. 8x. If I regrab this, 15. Uh-oh. 15. Okay, that didn't look like it was working. Let's try that again. Let's be a little more measured with this. Okay, here we are. 2x combo. Regrab 3x. Regrab 5x. Regrab 8x. What? Oh. The reason is I'm not setting this. Look at this. Look at this. I reset it to null twice at the beginning and there, and then I look at it here, but I don't set it. On gymnast release, right here. Let's think about this. Is there any scenario where we don't want to remember this? Not really. But I think in here would probably be good. This is like we're in gameplay. Well, let's just try it here. What is it? Last release grabbable equals released grabbable. Save it. You want to compare against a variable. You might want to give that variable a value at some point. That's all I'm saying. That's all I'm saying. Let's go back here. Okay. So now, this easy test level. Watch this. Watch this. It's gonna work. Here we are. Boom. I'm gonna go to the lower one. Boom. 3x, right? Then we just regrab here. 5x. And that should be the max. 5x is all you get. Ready? Uh-oh. Okay. Really? Really? Okay. Is it because reset trick is getting called? Could be because reset trick is getting called too soon. Where does this happen? Where is this? No, this isn't retry. That's fine. Then start game. That's fine. And then that's it. Okay. Never mind. What about this though? Where does this happen? Tutorial, tutorial, tutorial. Don't care. Okay, so that's not the problem. Let's go back here. What's the deal here? Score trick. Yeah, we can't possibly have called reset trick before this because we depend on all sorts of numbers in here. Okay, let's see if we at least make it into here. All right. I thought this was gonna be a little faster. Just gonna throw in this little quick little thing, you know? It'll be easy. Should be easy. Okay. Okay, look at that. We hit the breakpoint. So here we go. We are grabbing a There's your problem. There's your problem. How do I want to fix that? Okay, so the problem is, actually, it's really good that I tested it with the parallel bars level, because otherwise I wouldn't have realized this. If you go look at this thing, look at the parallel bars in this video game. Here. It's made up of 3 segments. Each one of these segments is a grabbable. So if you let go of the middle one and grab the one on the left or whatever, it thinks it's a totally different grabbable. Alright, let me test my hypothesis. This is going to require some precision, or what I could do is test it on something that's not the parallel bars. So let's try it on... can I do it on this? That's too risky. What about this one? Okay. So if I'm careful here, let's go across one, right? Shoom. Boom. 2x, right? Then we just kind of like let go on this one and re-grab. 3x. That's to be expected. Do it again. 5x. And then here should be... oh god, catch it. Please catch it. Oh my god. This is why I was testing with the parallel bars. Let's see, I wonder if I can cheese it and just do like look, I let go, and then catch back on. And look, I let go, and catch back on. And look, I let go, and catch back on. 3x, see how it's staying at 3x? Real footage of Sympathy playing the game. Sympathy, I want to request that you play this game when it comes out. I will send you a key, and just so that we can laugh. Okay, see, this is gonna work. See, look, 2x, and then like let go. Oh, look, I let go, but I'm grabbing on again to the same object. 3x. Oh, look, I let go, but I'm gonna grab onto the same object. 5x. Oh, look, I let go. Oh, wait, why am I doing hard tricks all of a sudden? Here we go. Oh, look, I let go. 5x. Okay. So the problem is now, objects that have more than one grabbable as part of them are causing an issue with this. Now my thought is, what we gotta do is this actually shouldn't be called grabbable. This should be, let's see. Yes, tricky. My god, that's right, you did beat getting over it. You're actually, I'm probably severely underestimating your skills, potential skills at this game. Even if one of those skills is just perseverance, which is what I was lacking in finishing getting over it. That spot where you have to go through the little, like, the small little thing and you have to just, like, hook onto the little, like, lanterns or whatever, was so hard that every time I got past that, it was like everything was riding on that turn, and then if I failed it, it was just like, I'm done. Even though I really, really like the game. This game should not be that frustrating because you can't build up that much frustration. You can't like make a bunch of progress and then lose it. I didn't make it to the orange. Okay, so here's the problem. Here's the problem. I was about to say, oh, like if you look at the parallel bars, like what I should do is say, oh, you grabbed onto this grabbable. Well, who cares? Because I'm going to call get component in parent and look for something that derives from basic prop, which might be the right choice. I was going to say now basic prop itself derives from placeable object. A placeable object. So I thought, oh, I should be safe and do placeable object because maybe I have some prop in the game where I didn't use basic prop as the like root, class type. But that's a problem because let's have a look at the bungee rings. So these have two placeable objects because you can in the editor you can actually freely move the rings independently of the top. See, so if I go look at this, you see that the grabbable ring has placeable object on it. So if you grabbed onto this, it would count that. Now then again, in that case I don't care, because if I find this object again, it is a regrab. Because like these have 4 grabbables, but they have 1 parent placeable object. Yeah. Okay, I think placeable object is going to be acceptable. There may be a prop I could come up with that would break this. Maybe I'd rather break it the other way. So let's do this. Where is it? Last release grabbable. We don't want that anymore. We want basic prop. Last released prop. Okay. Now I can go find my issues by finding the compiler errors here. And here we would say if last released prop is not null. And then we would say last release prop is equal to oh, we gotta do this. Basic prop. The grab bed prop equal to is equal to null. And then we say if gymnast.handGrabbable is non-null, then we set grabEd prop to be gymnast.handGrabbable.getComponent in parent basic prop. Boom. And then we test against this. Oh my god, it took you a year to beat that? That is some perseverance. For sure. Let's see. Blah, 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 blah. Now that should be good, but then we gotta set... Where's my other red line? Here. This needs to be released grabbable dot get component in parent basic prop. Okay. There's a long gap where you had to like rebuild the courage to play the game some more. I can understand that. This game, in theory, that shouldn't happen because all the levels are really short. But the flip side could be that if you don't feel like you can figure it out, you just quit. We'll see. Hopefully, simply you have like some kind of controller you can use. You can technically play this game with the keyboard. I am officially supporting keyboard, but I'm also officially recommending you do not play it with the keyboard. The whole thing was really designed with twin sticks in mind. Okay, this is going to fix it. Xbox controller, perfect. I tested on both PlayStation and Xbox controllers all the time. And in theory, I'm using this cool... Unity has this new input system, which I'm not using. I'm using an asset store thing called Rewired, which is really cool, and basically makes it so that, in theory, pretty much any controller you can plug into a computer that has 2 sticks should work. Alright. Let's go try Indeed, thank goodness I use this as a test level. Alright, so here we go. Boom, 2x. Let's go drop to the lower one. 3x. Regrab. 5x. Regrab, but different piece of the same one. Good. And then when we transition... Oh! Let's try that. Boom, 2x, right? Now let's stay on the object, but different grabbable. 3x. 5x. Okay, can't seem to get past 5x. What the heck? Now, if I... What happens if I was on 1, hit the 5x max, and then transition to another one, 8x, look at that. And then here, see, it's going to stay at 8, but that will take me to 15. Okay, that's what I was looking for. Now, let's just double check something. We're going to go like this. We're going to say this is actually a free play level. And I'm not going to save that. Okay, so now... free play levels should ignore this. If I stay on the same grabbable, I can just build up. Oh no, don't transfer across. What am I doing? Try that again. Okay, over to here. Boom. Down to the lower one. Boom. Okay. 3x. No, 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 no. Try to go too fast. Okay, here we go. Boom. There we are. 3x. Now we're gonna stay on this prop by flinging ourselves this way. 3x. 5x. 8x. Yeah, it's growing. Cool. Look at this amazing feats of skill. Cool. Alright, so that works for free play levels. Alright, so we did that. Let's see. 15 minutes. Alright, so 15 minutes means I should work on a level or two. So, let's go to our well-known and popular level database scene. Okay. Did that? Oh, I need to write down the thing from K9 earlier today. So that would be change scoring plus twisting interruption to only be on stun level impacts. I like that idea quite a bit. Yeah, I could do that today, but I gotta make sure I hit some levels every day. Let's go look at flying mat. Oh, I like this level. This one will be fun to work on some more. And then thread the needle. And then down and out. That's gonna be probably more than enough for the last few minutes I got here. Okay. Game scene. Go. Okay. Flying mat. Okay. This level is pretty stupid. I like it. So this one, you're on this little moving thing. Have to go to a meeting? Oh, okay. Lurk during the meeting. Wow. Okay. I won't tell if you know. Oh, dude, look at that. Hang on. This thing is supposed to launch that mat. And it's supposed to, okay. Had a little weirdness in the physics there. So the idea of this one is just that this mat goes flying over, which is kind of funny. And then you need to, if you want the chalk, you need to come up like this, and then hit this mat, which is cool. And then also just the normal way. Oh! Look at that. That's the shortcut right there. 4.5 seconds. Oh, I got knocked out. Timothy, thanks again for hanging out. Appreciate it. So in theory, the way you play this level is you come along like this, and then... Now, does this thing revert eventually? Bar? Yeah, so you gotta move quick. Although I do like this. Ooh. Looks like 5 seconds is very doable. Yeah. That's fun. Okay, so 5 seconds. Should be... Yeah, I had it at 6, so that's probably fine. Okay, what about score? Score, you'd have to be like doing some releases here. Because there's really no way to get score at the end here. You can't land on the mat, it's standing up and down. So in order to earn score on this level, you need to do some release moves on a moving bar. Which is pretty tricky, so we could do one more here maybe, like this. And then, not only do you gotta do that, but you gotta make it to the mat itself. You really would want to do one right here at the beginning. Do that. And then, like, get over there. And sometimes it misses. Look at that. Interesting. Let's go look at that. So when it misses, what's going on? There, it made it. There, I guess it just... gets a little more rebound. Oh, interesting. You would think it would be the same every time. But it's not. I could make that wall there to catch it a little more. Or, let's look on the one where it went well. It's hitting right at that... it's hitting right here. So we could go like this, and like this, and kind of give it a little more of a welcoming setup there. Let's try that. Shoo. That was nice. We'll see if that's reliable enough. Okay. So I had this set pretty low. We could set this a little higher. 4,000. And I like the chalk placement on this level. So these we could drop down. Oops. So that they don't fall at the beginning. Yeah. Yes. This also we could, oh no, it's fine. Okay. Save. So that one gets a green mark. Okay. I like that level. I need some more silly levels like that. I need to do a silly level creation day. Let's see. Thread the needle. Oh, this is a staple. So this one, you're on this thing, coming up here, you have to leap through this hole right here, and then carefully land on this down slope without hurting yourself. So you can grab onto there, and then the best way to go to the left, I think, is to swing around like this, and then just shoot. So that one's pretty cool. Do we have chalk in this level? Of course we do, up here. That's where I would have put it. So I think to get the chalk, you need to like basically go and get big jump here, Oh no. Oh no. Yeah, and catch back onto that, which is quite hard. I could try it this way, or it's like... I don't think I'm going to get enough height. Yeah. There it is. Right? Throw in some twist for good measure. Should not have done that. 1, 2. Oh, I'm going a little bit to the left. Yeah. Yeah, nope. I mean, I wonder if there's somewhere more interesting to put the chalk on this level. Okay, so that would be like, that's gonna get it, and then if I'm careful here and I don't screw this up, ugh, I can catch on here. Hey, 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 easy. Thank you. And then I gotta ride it again and complete the level. It's a little tedious. Again, we're still only talking about, 1 minute max of like work. Oh no, 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 no. I mean, is there anywhere else I could put this? Is there something cool about putting it on the slide somewhere? Like, either, what if I said you have to like fly up through this hole and like get a really high jump like that? That could be kind of interesting. In which case, I'm gonna want to make less indication that anything's up here. Let's try this. So this, you'd have to be like, whoom, and then, whoom. But more than that, okay. I gotta go one more swing probably. 1, 2, here it is. There. That was cool. That was way cooler than where it was before. Boom. Don't get hurt. Grab the bar. Yes. Okay. And then just get across here. Okay. That's way cooler. Now. Time. So this is gonna be one of those where it's just like don't use slow-mo, and then we'll award you the time medal, right? So oh, that actually make it through, jeez. Okay. Okay, there we go. Now, catch it. Okay. And this is the hard one. Okay, 16. So we want this to be like... If you had any slow-mo at all there, yeah, we'll say 17. This is another one where score is weird because you often don't get any points for this initial jump because you come over here, right? You like, let's say you do some flipping. You're like, yeah, look at me racking up the points. 5,000. Oh, wait a minute. Yeah. And then when we catch this, we're gonna get those points. Okay. So we just want you to do a few flips. Uh-oh. That's not going anywhere. One, two, don't hurt yourself. Boom. 7,000. Not to mention, you could certainly earn some points right there. Right. So I'm basically saying you need a clean flip here. I like that. Huh, like that. right? Oh, and I must have clipped something there because it stopped scoring. Maybe my new plan here that I'll probably hook up tomorrow will address that. Okay, but like 6,000-ish is interesting. So we can make this higher. Push the player a little bit. Okay. Alright. That one's good. Market is green. Market is green. Okay. Then down and out. This is kind of a weird level. So there's a lot. This one's a little strange because there's a lot of ways you can play it. Kind of default way to play it is you come up to here like this, you drop, you bounce off the trampoline, and then make your way over there. Big Gamey says the hair is looking good. Thank you. Yeah. I should probably make sure I'm testing all the other hairstyles a bit more. Because I have it just default to this one avatar when I'm running just directly in the game scene instead of going through the, like, you know, profile select. I may want to make sure I'm like looking at other ones. Here we go. Here we go. Boom. Get to here, and then you just have this seemingly simple but oddly difficult drop right here. Okay, so that's cool. And then the chalk is, whoa, the chalk is up here, which is really hard, if I remember correctly. What you gotta do is you gotta get a good swing going here. And then like right here, you gotta launch yourself up and over. Something like this. And then make sure you actually catch on to something here, which, thank goodness. Okay. I mean, that's super hard, but it's also super cool. So that's fine. What about fast version of this level? Fast version of this level is you skip the whole thing and you just go like this. Right? Which is going to be quite hard. I think you can also do it like this. Oh, not like that. I gotta wait a second, I guess. Yeah, and then, huh. There's 10 seconds. I'm sure it can be done faster. Ooh, yeah, it's a precarious leap. Okay, 10 seconds feels pretty darn fast. Oh, that was almost incredible. Okay, yeah, 10 is the number. Yeah, I had it at 12, so let's compromise and say 11. Previous me was being slightly more generous. 6,500 points, you say? That seems pretty doable, right? That would be best to probably do this. But try and get a better flip off that. Yeah, okay, I can see where I was going there with that score. That sort of just wants you to do a couple flips off of either here or just directly. Like this. Yeah. I'm happy with that. That's a good number. That level is looking good. Alright. Boom. Don't forget to mark it green. Green. Undo play mode. Let's go back to our database. And we can see that there's slightly more green after today. Right there. These three here. We did it. Alright, cool. That's it for today. Feeling pretty good about progress. Still a little overwhelming the amount of levels I need to give love and care to. I'll be on again tomorrow for probably an hour or two. My normal Saturday time. Looks like I'm mostly going to be doing levels. Yeah, I have a couple small minor features that I will probably visit tomorrow. And then over the rest of the weekend, my main thing is I need to capture a ton of footage for the trailer. So I can get that over to my awesome professional editor. And we can start getting the launch trailer together. Alright. That was good. That was good. Thanks for dropping by. And see you all around.